Hello everybody, Trippin' Sister here, hailing from the top of the state building in Missouri. And that's what it looks like from a bird's point of view. I don't know what that bridge is over there.
It's a bridge.
It's a bridge.
I'll probably find out first.
Anyway, so the inside, it was okay. Not that grand. No video. Lots of pictures. If I can get Mr. Viking to do the narration on the pictures, I will post them for you. You know, him and that brain, right? I just can't. I won't remember most of that stuff. But anyway, just thought you'd like to see the view from up here. I don't know what they call this street down here, honey. Is it Main Street? I don't know what they call that street, but it's a long one. Anyway.
Yes, it is Main Street.
Ah, it is in fact Main Street.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys. Well,
It's the Highway 63 bridge.
Highway 63 bridge is that bridge over there. Okay, well, we wanted to make sure we didn't get locked out. We just did a tour of the museum, and we're going back in, and we called the glass place because they did not call us, and they said it's ready. So we'll see. We're going to pick it up and go back to the rig, and hopefully we get a good hard rain tonight, and we can leave tomorrow. So there you go. Look at this stagecoach, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that something? Can you imagine traveling on something like that? This is the... Bet they got ripped off a lot. Well, we're in Museum Hall. It's got a lot of stuff. I can't narrate. But anyway, there you go. Look at these. Ain't that something? See that? Now there's a striking museum piece. All right, you guys, keep tripping.